Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Power the mouse and enable its pairing mode, because without that the Mac cannot see it. Once done, go to the Apple menu and open System Settings, then select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on so your Mac is discoverable. If you have multiple Macs or devices nearby, temporarily turn off other Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. This step primes both devices so pairing can begin immediately and reduces confusion during. Now focus on the matching process. In the Bluetooth panel, watch the devices list and find your mouse name. The Mac scans continuously, so be patient. When the mouse shows up, click Connect or Pair. You're initiating a secure link. If the system asks for a confirmation code or to accept a pairing request, confirm on screen. Some mice use automatic pairing with no code. Make sure the mouse stays in pairing mode until the Mac finishes. Moving away or turning it off interrupts the handshake. Finish by testing the pointer. Move the mouse and check pointer responsiveness and battery status in System Settings, because functionality confirms success. If it doesn't work, first remove any nearby wireless dongles or other Bluetooth mice that could interfere, then forget the device on your Mac and repair. If problems persist, reset Bluetooth by toggling it off and on. Restart the Mac as a last resort. This clears cached states and often resolves stubborn pairing errors. Try these steps before seeking hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.